Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 utility 48 by 102 steel wood unit, folks. Universal mounting kit, air ride suspension, rear tandem sliding axle. Kingpin plate looks almost brand new on this unit, folks. It's in phenomenal shape. Unit's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Underside is in excellent condition, brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the beam condition, the joist condition underneath is in phenomenal shape. Brand new rubber, steel refurbed outer rims on this tandem air ride slider. Universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, many other brands. Let us know what you have. We can do alterations for you. You can also take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Take a look at all of our available Moffett, Princeton, Load Max, Manitous, etc. that we have refurbed, and a few new units. Steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber. Brakes are 80% to new on all of our trailers. As you can see, brand new straps on this unit. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We're more than happy to answer any questions you might have.